as you can see, it is back at the shop, and the reason it is back at the shop is, let's see, let me show you. Clutch all the way depressed, cannot go in gear. Alright, why? Because the clutch been seized. Right, because you can see if I switch off the car, yeah, everything works. It can go into gear, see? But when the engine is running, of course, cannot go in gear. So need a clutch replacement, and it's back here. Oh well, it is what it is. Let me update you guys further. For now, it already has an alarm system. At least it looks like a car now. The dashboard is up, although it's not the final dashboard, it's temporary. Yep, and the day's been tuned, and I believe there's a video about it. Yeah, that's it.